To lubricate the shock, all I do is fold down the boot, bring the lubricant to the front of the shock, and spray a little bit onto the seal. That'll run down the seal. Usually right after this I'll jump on the bike and grab the front brake and just rock the bike back and forth, and that'll help the lubricant work its way down into the lower fork tube. Rock the bike back and forth, holding the front brake. Lift the kickstand. Hold the front brake. Bounce the bike. And reinstall the boots. These are really easy to put in. I really like them.